快扶起来。At the time of me making this video, the Honor Magic 4 Ultimate still ranks at the #1 on the Duke's mark for its camera performance. But this year, Xiaomi didn't send its latest flagship Xiaomi 12S Ultra phone to Duke's mark for camera evaluation. And the Xiaomi 11 Ultra was once the top ranker on the Duke's mark set since its release last year. So some of you guys, myself included, may be curious to know the camera comparison of the Magic 4 Ultimate and the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. As for the specs of the two, I will just list them on the screen and you can check them out. Here I use these two cameras in a wide range of scenarios and shot numerous photos and videos in the past 2 months. Hope you like this video and comment with what you think about them. I will just put my conclusion at the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Let's get started.来，到爸爸这来。Just take grades, macros. See, now this is Xiaomi. I find it so hard to take a good macro. Okay, now 4K 60 FPS. Hello, Harriet. Not good?
Yeah,
Why?
I'm not good because it's a long day and I have to work tomorrow, so I feel so upset right now.
All right. Comparing the two back and forth, it's still very hard to decide which one outperforms which one. For the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, I just don't think that a 1-inch sensor really works that much. At least judging from some of the night photos, the dynamic range falls short compared to the Magic 4 Ultimate. And if you want the best night photos, go to the Honor Magic 4 Ultimate. Regarding videos, the Magic 4 Ultimate supports 4K 30fps selfie videos, while the 12S Ultra only offers 1080p 30fps. But I did find Xiaomi has slightly better stabilization. Regarding like color on the 12S Ultra, it's definitely personal preference and may vary from person to person, and I will leave it to you to judge. For me, as to high-end phones like the Ornamagic 4 Ultimate or the 12S Ultra, they are adequate for daily tasks or even a side camera when I'm making videos. Whether to choose Honor or Xiaomi is, I think, more of a brand preference. Which one will you choose? Let me know down in the comments. I'm Sami, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.